Oh, very good. Well, it sounds great.
Yeah, the tuner accepts it, so that's what I use. Anyway, I gotta get going. I gotta make dinner. Catch you again, K2WH.
Very good. Thank you. K2WH, AA2E Street.
K2WH, I hear you input here in Florida.
Yeah, Roger, you can input the
USA, Florida. I can hear you on the input here in Florida.
Good, I'm running 1.5 kW.
Yeah, okay. We're at 300 watts here out of Florida. Have a good day, KB. But
yeah, by the way, Florida's rolling in on 6 meters also. You have a good day.
KQ28.
have the call sign of that fellow.
His call sign was WB8VLT, Whiskey Bravo 8. Victor Lima Charlie. Victor Lima Charlie. Very good, very good. And if you want a time, I contacted him in 1931, so it was about around there.
Yeah, I had him at like 1940 or something. I did write that down, and I just couldn't understand his call sign completely.
Very good. Yes, you did come in after a while. Yes, I do remember that. Very good. All right.
Thank you. 73s.
Very good. 73
WWS 1155, we're trying to get back through to you. WWS 0333. We're going to try that one more time. WWS 1155, WWS 0333, trying to get into your receive. I hear you in there. Give it a shot.
Probably head home tomorrow.
They call me Paul Bunyan 5. Working this old raggedy bird. I'm waving to you. Sorry, shit. I can barely hear you. Keep me in trouble. Get your lead on. Somebody might miss that. That's why I gave you the pictures. And what I remember most about it is when we went to Ohio a few times on vacation.